Welcome back, everyone. In today's Quick Tips video, we are going to be discussing the Quick Print Folders feature available to you here within Sawgrass Print Utility. Quick Print Folders are standard file folders that you can save anywhere on your computer that serve as an excellent way to expedite your printing process. For example, if you're someone who creates a lot of different ceramic coffee mugs, you have the option to come here and create a quick print folder that has all of the job settings you would normally apply to a ceramic project applied to the folder itself. At this point, you would save your folder wherever you want it on your computer, and all you need to do is drag and drop whatever project you want to print into that new quick print folder. It will then open up Sawgrass Print Utility with the appropriate project, and it will already have all of the previously set job settings applied to this project. So all you need to do is select print. A few other things that you might want to take advantage of when working with quick print folders. You of course can come in here and edit the settings of your folder at any time. You can adjust your paper size, paper type, things like that if you ever need to do so. But you also have the ability to take advantage of this round robin setting. This option here allows you, if you have multiple printers that have the same ink type and paper type, it allows you to select all of those printers. That way it will send the project to the printer that has not recently printed. This is a nice feature to help you kind of manage the workload of your printers, make sure that not one particular printer is doing all of the work. So if you want to take advantage of that, that feature can be found here at the top of the settings. Another feature that you might want to take advantage of when working with quick print folders is down here at the bottom. You have the option to include the quantity in the file name. And with this option, you can set up your projects to print multiple copies by programming the number into the file name. So let's use that same design we previously worked with. If I go here to this particular file and I rename it, if at the end of that name I put an underscore and let's say 3, now that I drop this file back into that quick print folder, it's now going to reopen Sawgrass Print Utility with that same project, but instead of one copy of that project, it's going to load 3 of them or whatever number I want to use. Please take advantage of those quick print folders to manage your workflow, expedite the printing process. They're a great feature and they're built right here into Sawgrass Print Utility. That's all for today. See you next time.